your glasses.
Mama, where are we going today?
Going to have lunch. And then going to MTA Museum.
Hudson, you got my shoes?
You got his shoes? Take here, Daddy.
Daddy's already got shoes, though. Thank you. I don't need the shoe, though.
You can take it, though. I'll take it. Thank you.
Rushed out of the door without anything pertaining to our child, so we're coming back for the Hudson bag.
Motherfucking Sunday, and you cruising down Crenshaw in a motherfucking 6'4". Come on, say that shit like you believe it, man. Like it's your words, feel that shit. You stop playing around, loosen the fuck up. There you go.